Chainsaws are one of the most efficient and versatile tools used by homeowners and professional workers alike. Painstaking yard work becomes significantly simpler with the use of this invention. The tool itself has changed and evolved in the past decade. Today, small chainsaws are instrumental in the home maintenance tasks of average homeowners. There are many products available to choose mini chainsaws, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mini chainsaws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let us jump into the video. Number 1. Black Plus Decker LCS 1020, best lightweight chainsaw from a reputable chainsaw brand. Tired of getting caught in awkward tight corners due to the restrictions of the length of the cord? This battery-powered tool is ideal for close-quarter cutting, and it excels at getting in even the tightest areas. If quaking aspen dominates your yard, this is the best chainsaw to prune unwanted shrub growth. Unlike typical gas saws that require tiresome pull starts, this battery-powered chainsaw will come to life easily. That's thanks to the start button and sliding safety lock combination. In addition, this lightweight chainsaw features a noise level comparable to a vacuum cleaner. As a result, it's perfect for those who want to keep their yard work on the down low. Aside from the long-established manufacturer, which has a reputation of being one of the most trusted brands, this battery-powered model is extremely maneuverable and will allow you to clear your small yard in no time. It's one of the best lightweight chainsaws on our list. Pros. Extremely convenient, thanks to its size stays charged for a long time with its new 20V Max lithium battery. Wraparound bail handle optimizes comfort and control, offers easy oil level gauging. Lighter chainsaw than a Thursa super lightweight chainsaw. Consequence: better for a smaller yard over a large one. Number 2. Makita XCU03PT118VX2. One of the best electric saws for cutting speeds and low volume, powered by two 18V batteries. This Makita model will give you a 36V runtime and performance, without having to worry about a high battery demand. This kit comes with a dual-port charger that can charge both batteries efficiently and simultaneously. It also ensures that you don't have any harmful emissions. With an increased cutting speed and reduced noise level, it's hard to go wrong with this option. While this design isn't as lightweight as the previously mentioned Black Plus Decker, it offers strong cutting speeds with low volume levels. Pros. No spark plug. So no spark plug replacement costs. Batteries are known for their fast charge time, channels debris and moisture away from the internal design. Higher motor life, easy to pick up into consequence. Not a lightweight option. Number 3. Black Plus Decker LCS 1240. Best electric-powered chainsaw for convenience and comfort. The impressive 40V battery that powers this Black Plus Decker LCS 1240 ensures a long lifespan. It also features a runtime that lasts up to 5 times longer than competing models. The automatic oil lubrication constantly maintains the bar and chain, and the wraparound bail handle is hard to beat. You won't have to worry about much kickback from the 12-inch bar and chain either, which is always comforting to know when using such a potentially dangerous tool. The combination of lightweight design and comfortable grip gives you a lot of control over your cuts, meaning you can keep them smooth and intentional throughout use. When it comes to battery-powered chainsaws, you can't go wrong with this one. Pros. Lithium-ion battery provides significant run-to maximum comfort provided by the wraparound handle. Convenient automatic system for oiling, adjustable fast tensioning, efficient maneuverability. Consequence: cutting larger logs will drain the battery faster. Number 4. Greenworks 2031240V. Best mini chainsaw with the cutting power to rival gas-powered chainsaws. This Greenworks mini chainsaw has a reliable battery-powered runtime and an impressive amount of safety features, including a low kickback chain and chain brake. This prevents any accidental kickbacks. This chainsaw presents an alternative to gas-powered chainsaws that many users are looking for. It features brushless motor technology and torque level without the hassle of the pull to start that many gas models require. However, the 16-inch bar and chain is a size that only experienced users should work with. Once you've operated this tool, it will be hard to go back to the trouble of mixing oil and gas. Minimal vibration and enhanced user comfort make this machine a pleasure to work with. Pros. Less wear and tear, translucent oil tank, minimal motor vibration, helpful user safety features, convenient electronic chain brake, great cutting power. Consequence: not a good chainsaw for complete beginners. Number 5. Saker Mini Chainsaw. Overall the best mini chainsaw. When looking for the best mini chainsaw in 2023, you cannot find a better option than Saker Mini Chainsaw. Saker might not be a popular brand, but they have the most professional designers and operation teams that are devoted to bringing convenience, efficiency, and safety to modern tools. A portable cordless 4-inch electric chainsaw tool that is ideal for household and gardening applications. The Saker Mini Chainsaw is packed with highly efficient features. It comes with a strong dynamic system, lightweight and portable design, pure copper motor, overload protection, super fast cutting speed, high capacity rechargeable battery, and much more. Even in a small and compact design, the tool is packed with a very powerful, high-efficiency pure copper motor, which ensures faster and smoother cutting. To further enhance the smooth cutting performance, the chainsaw uses a high-quality guide bar and chain that has undergone a quenching process. A 20V1500 mAh rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting cutting performance. You can use the chainsaw for a long time on a single charge. To avoid any accidents, the tool also features a security switch that prevents the chainsaw from going off on its own. Moreover, when sawing, pruning, or trimming, you don't have to worry about sawdust splashing toward you. The splash guard prevents that from happening. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.